XRP is seriously troubled. Not everything is as good as we had anticipated. Even though we were thrilled by the most recent favorable price adjustments, we overlooked something crucial. Is XRP coming to an end? I'll explain. Withdrawal. Contrary to popular belief, journalist Charles Gasparino believes Ripple lost its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Gasparino calls the recent ruling that XRP is not a security idiotic and criticizes it. He contests the notion that Ripple has won a legal battle with this verdict, offering an alternative perspective. For the time being, retail XRP holders prevailed, he claimed, since Judge Torres rendered a genuinely foolish, split-the-baby decision that makes the Southern District laugh. Regarding the Securities and Exchange Commission, what transpired? Allow me to explain briefly. The court's decision in the Ripple v. Securities and Exchange Commission case concluded that the digital asset connected to Ripple is not a security. Following the Securities and Exchange Commission's abortive attempt at an appeal and the dismissal of allegations of securities law violations against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsson, this crucial ruling was made. Gasparino's opinion casts doubt on the outcome, labeling the decision as absurd and making fun of how the legal community is taking it. According to his point of view, there might be a problem applying conventional securities regulation to emerging digital currencies like XRP. The journalist's viewpoint incited ire in the XRP community following the tweet. Crypto attorney Bill Morgan answered Charles Gasparino's harsh remark. Gasparino had stated that Ripple would not be pleased with the divided verdict. Morgan, however, vehemently disagreed with Gasparino's analysis, asserting that no attorney believes Ripple did not receive a favorable outcome. Morgan went on to say that Annalisa Torres, the case's judge, after making a distinction between the XRP token and the underlying plan, deal, or contract, it was determined that it was not a security. It is clear from the Twitter debate between Charles Gasparino and Bill Morgan that there is disagreement over XRP's legal standing in the ongoing litigation between Ripple and the Securities and Debate Commission. This conversation brings to light the continuous discussion and ambiguity surrounding the U.S. classification of digital assets as securities. Legislation. Additionally, crypto law supported the decision, claiming that the majority of XRP transactions do not fit the requirements to be categorized as securities. The regulations governing the use of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ripple are the focus of the field of crypto law. It contains regulations pertaining to taxes, trade, and ensuring that everything is lawful in the realm of virtual currency. Attorneys versed in crypto law assist individuals and companies in adhering to these regulations. What do you think about that? Are you on the side of the lawyer or do you agree with a journalist? Post your response in the section below. The Ripple company moved 44.5 million XRP Ripple currency, valued at almost $28 million, following a startling statement made by journalists. What precisely took place? I'll explain. The transactions, which Whale Alert observed, occur when XRP's metrics are declining, indicating a depressed state of mind among investors. With the price of XRP rising by more than 3%, there have been inquiries over the whale's strategic significance. Two large XRP transactions that went in different ways showed that there was a steady flow but that the parties involved had different goals. 20 million XRP Ripple currencies, worth more than $13 million at the time, were moved in a smaller transaction. It originated on the Bitvavo cryptocurrency market and ended up in an unregistered user's wallet, but the address has been used since June 2016, which was a good while ago. 24.5 million XRP Ripple currencies, worth more than $15 million, are included in the larger XRP transaction. In contrast to the last transaction, this sending address was enabled in January by Ripple Labs. The wallet has a history of sending money to cryptocurrency exchanges, with Bitstamp and Bitso being the two most popular ones, according to the transaction history. In the past, hundreds of dollars were transmitted to the cryptocurrency exchanges Bitstamp and Bitso. These exchanges collaborate closely with Ripple to use XRP and RippleNet to provide cross-border payments. This procedure makes it possible to send XRP funds quickly and affordably. Once the funds arrive at the destination exchange, they are converted to local currency. In terms of cryptocurrencies, Ripple's XRP has an innovative approach to the 100 billion tokens that make up XRP's fixed supply are presumably the only ones that can be produced. For the founders, about 20 billion tokens were awarded. 40 billion were initially sold to other businesses and private investors, with 7 billion going to Ripple Labs. It releases a certain amount of XRP every month via an escrow scheme. This deliberate strategy, which releases 1 billion XRP every month for 55 months, aids in maintaining the stability of XRP and regulating its supply. A financial agreement involving two parties and an impartial third party that withholds cash until specific requirements are satisfied is known as an escrow. With the XRP ledger, this procedure is automated within the ledger itself, delaying XRP until particular requirements are met. By doing this, duties are fulfilled without requiring the assistance of a human third party. According to the most current XRP prognosis, the coin's trading volume has decreased by 40% to about $2 billion. According to analysts, the original whale may have moved money out of Bitvavo to prevent a cash shortage issue. Furthermore, Ripple appears to be redistributing its capital, possibly selling off some to bolster its operations. Remember, Ripple still owns this, and if they choose to sell, there will be a price impact. As previously stated, each month Ripple unlocks and sells its vested reserves, increasing the amount of XRP ledger in circulation. November saw the corporation unlock 1 billion XRP, with 200 million coins set aside for operating costs. It's important to note that Ripple has altered its monthly schedule this month. They have been selling weekly chunks of their unlocked XRP since August. But in the interim, 10 days have passed since they last sold 60 million XRP, or roughly 39 million USD. In particular, 140 million XRP worth approximately 91 million remain in Ripple's cryptocurrency wallet. The unlocked coins from the inflation escrows are sent to this wallet. Later on, parts of XRP are sent by Ripple to unidentified addresses, which eventually lead to cryptocurrency exchange accounts. 200 million XRP were retained by Ripple from the monthly unlock in October, and they were spent in 4 batches of 60, 75, 70, and 50 million. August, though, was not like the other 2 recent months. Even though Ripple had already unlocked 200 million XRP, they ultimately spent 325 million. August payments were distributed in 3 installments spaced more than 7 days apart. More insight into the inflation of XRP has been available to investors in recent months, which has made it easier for them to budget for Ripple's sales. What holders own and the price of XRP are directly impacted by these sales. The Ripple account currently has 306 million XRP, which is worth $200 million and may be sold at any time. 140 million of them are left over from the unlock in November. The market now wants to know how much XRP Ripple will sell in the near future. These